between 400 and 450. Yeah, this is what should be written. When a person gets below under 400, when between 400 and 450, this is what should be written under the class teacher's remarks, and this is what should be written under head teacher's remarks, and it goes on to the last. So we've used this formula for it. So now let's go to our work. Okay, let's take note. Whatever is written here is based on a total score. We are coming to use what we call logical formula. Anyone who knows programming will tell you that if it's a logical this thing. If you want, if this happened, this should be written. That's how it works. So for instance, we start our formula here as usual. Okay, you write equal to starting, then you bring your if. After the if, an open bracket comes. So look at here, the if has three parts: the logical test, the value if true, and the value if false. These are the three parts of every if formula. So what is our logical test? What at all are we testing? We are testing something to find out that if it's true or false. So if the test is done and at the end it's found to be false, this should be written, and if it's true too, this should be written. That's how it works. So what are we testing? We are testing that this K2, the total score for the fair and the first saw and the total score is K2, right? K2. So we come to the table. Let's start with the highest one. If K2 is greater than 750, then this should be written for the class teacher. So you go here. If K2 is greater than 750, you bring your comma. What should be written? What should be written should be in a quotation mark. So open quotation mark. What should be written under the class teacher's remarks? This should be written. So let's copy it. Let's copy it. We come and paste it here. Then you close it with the quotation marks. Then you bring comma. So now this is our logical test. Our logical test is what? This one, the K. We are testing if K2 is greater than 750. That's our test. And the value if true. Now if it's true that K2 is greater than 750, then they should be written there. Excellent. Keep it up. Because when you check, this is what should be written. This is what should be written. Okay, please let's start with the 800. So let's go this way. If k2 is equal to 800, meaning if the person get 800, then what should be written? Under class teacher, this should be written. So let's copy it, come and paste it here. If the person gets 800 out of 800, then under the class teacher remarks, excellent performance, keep working hard. They should be written. But if the person did not get 800, now we are talking about value if false. If the person did not get 800, what should we do again? Then we should test again. So in this case, if or come again. So if k2 is greater than so you come to our table. 750. If it's 750, it means if the person gets any figure more than greater than 749, then this should be written. Hope you are following. If you bring equal to 750, it means if the person gets 51, nothing will be written. Take note. The first one is the first one we brought 800 because we brought 800 because maybe 800 is the last the 800 is the last marks we expect a student to get. But in some cases you can get schools who are doing more than who are doing more than 8 subjects. So in that case they will get about 900. So if it's in that case, then you can change this one to greater than 799. So 799 means 800 and above. 799 is not amount. If the person get 800 and above, then excellent performance. Keep working hard. Now let's go to the second one. There's 750. 750 is inclusive. So this is what you have to do. You have to k2 is greater than 749. If it's greater than 749, what should be written? Another class teacher's remarks. Then excellent. Excellent. Keep it up. So you copy it, you come and put it here, you close it with a quotation mark, you bring your comma, then you ask, what if the person did not get it? That's the meaning of the value if also. What if the person did not get more than 799, they didn't get more than 749? Then what should we do? Then you have to test again. So you bring your if again. If k2 is greater than, you come to the next thing on the table. So it's 700. So if it's 700, it means 699. If the person gets 699, what should be written? Good work done. Keep improvement. So you copy it,